Hi there, I'm on my way to Chinook helicopters in Abbotsford, British Columbia. So I'm here at Chinook helicopters and this is their maintenance section. I'm here at the offices of Chinook Helicopters and Chinook Aviation. They have one of the biggest fleets in Canada. Chinook Aviation has around 12 fixed wing airplanes. And Chinook Helicopters has around 12 training helicopters here waiting for you. One of the oldest and the most prestigious aviation institutes in Canada, British Columbia, here at Abbotsford International Airport.